neighbors, and welcome back. Today is going to be a quick house cleaning, homemaking video. We have some leftover balloons from my little girl's birthday, and of course toys everywhere, and a lot of little odds and ends that need to be picked up and put away. And I'll be putting out a few of my Halloween decorations here and there. I really want to learn how to sew, and I have bought some patterns. The first one is an apron, and I think I'm going to go with this one. And then these other ones are really beautiful, and I hope I can do them, but I'm going to start with the apron. I think it'll be the easiest. This table is kind of our catch-all place. A lot of stuff gets piled up here, and a lot of it's mine. You can see the yarn and the crochet stuff. I am a guilty party. I'm gonna put out some of my Halloween decorations, like my big old black cat and some of my little pumpkins, and I'll put out some of my little crochet items too. You'll see those a little bit later. My little girl isn't feeling too good today. You see there, she has decided to lay on the couch and take a nap. So I won't be vacuuming. I'll wait till she wakes up, let her get some rest. This right here is her favorite blanket right now. It was a calendar blanket that Jada and Stitches did a tutorial on here on YouTube. I think it was in 2018. It's been a few years back, but this is my little girl's favorite blanket right now. Here's my little crochet pumpkin, and you'll see my little crochet happy ghost here in a minute. Grocery shopping this morning. I put away all the cold foods, the frozen foods, but I still need to put up my pantry food. So I will do that right now real quick. Then I also made a pit stop at Kohl's. I got some new decorative hand towels, but I also got a Christmas gift, so I won't pull it out of the bag. Just in case that person is watching, I don't want to spoil any surprises. I have started my Christmas shopping. I've bought a few things. I haven't wrapped anything yet, but I need to. Before the kids get into them, I need to start wrapping. Here's these little hand towels I found. They got a little beagle on them, and they just reminded me of our dog Barney. There he is. He's a senior doggy. We adopted him from a shelter a little over 10 years ago, I guess. So he's probably about 13, maybe 14. Then these bananas that's left over for the week, they're too ripe to where my kids won't eat them. So I'm just going to peel them and stick them in a freezer bag and put them in the freezer. And I can use them later for banana bread or smoothie or something. I'm going to unload the clean dishes from the dishwasher from the night before, and then load up our breakfast dishes. And I'll wash any that can't go in the dishwasher. I'll wash them real quick. And of course, we have laundry. Today, I'm going to pretend that I have some Mary Poppins magic and just snap, and all of them are folded and ready to hang up. But since I have a little bit of magic, might as well use it to put them away too, right? Wouldn't that be nice? As always, I thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you all next time.